Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. We're on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did end up pushing down again today. Like I was saying this morning, we should be looking for sorts. Now, the 78% is right here from the daily time frame. And now that we have a new low, we can move our structure down to here. If it breaks this high right here, then we'll at least know that this whole series of lower lows, lower highs is complete. If it doesn't break that high, then we still need to have a short bias. I mean, there's always a chance that this does keep on pushing down. The 78% is normally a pretty big area of support or resistance. Does seem like a pretty likely area where we could get a break of structure to the upside. Even if it does break structure, it doesn't necessarily mean complete trend reversal. It could just end up being a pullback to the last series of lower lows and lower highs. Maybe like a wave 4 and then eventually a wave 5 on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.